southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois. National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Otter Tail County, southwestern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota until 6:30 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dale, or 18 miles west of Detroit Lakes, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holly, Lake Park, Denvilla, Comorant, Dale, and Brolac. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.